A low-ely and experienced chef appears on screen with a friendly smile. Hey there, foodies. Welcome to today's recipe. A mouth-watering meat cake that's perfect for special occasions or just a hearty meal. I'm your host, Shafat, and I'll guide you through this easy-to-follow recipe. Segment 1. Ingredients and preparation. Ingredients on the kitchen counter. Here are the ingredients we'll need for our meat cake recipe. 1 pound ground meat, beef, pork, or a combination of the two, 1 onion, finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1/2 cup grated cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Chopping the onion and garlic. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. Finely chop the onion and mince the garlic. Segment 2. Meat mixture preparation. Mixing the meat. Now, let's prepare our meat mixture. In a large bowl, combine the ground meat, chopped onion, minced garlic, breadcrumbs, egg, grated cheese, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well with your hands or a wooden spoon until just combine. Be careful not to overmix. Segment 3. Shaping the meat cake. 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Shaping the meat cake. Now, it's time to shape our meat cake. Transfer the meat mixture to a loaf pan or shape it into a round cake. Make sure to press the mixture firmly into the pan or shape it evenly. Segment 4. Baking the meat cake. 12 o'clock, 1800. Putting the meat cake in the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the meat cake in the oven and bake for 45-50 minutes, or until it's cooked through and the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. Segment 5. Glazing and serving. 1800-2000. Glazing the meat cake. While the meat cake is baking, prepare a glaze by mixing 1/4 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Brush the glaze over the meat cake during the last 10-15 minutes of baking. Slicing and serving the meat cake. Once the meat cake is done, let it rest for 10-15 minutes before slicing and serving. You can serve it with your favorite sides, such as mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a salad. Conclusion. 2000-2100. Appears on screen with a friendly smile. That's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious meat cake with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.